are heading outside to go see, to get the going to the St. Louis Auto Show. We are going to the auto show and I'm going with my best friend Michael. This is his first time. How excited are you?
Very excited.
Yep, so we're gonna go see some cool stuff today. Good morning to you guys on a Saturday. Unfortunately, there is snow on the ground, so yes. We are here, guys, but unfortunately we have to wear the masks, which suck. There you go. I don't have mine on. I really wish I did. Ugh. We made it inside. Hey, we made it inside. We're at the St. Louis Auto Show. Look at all of this. Look at the joys of that beautiful Mustang. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Look at that! All the auto show. We got Toyota, we got Nissan. We got a whole bunch of cool stuff around here. This is the Fun Haver tent. The best of the best. Go ahead and spin that wheel! Get Michael.
Oh, I have some flashlights. So you get a little LED flashlight. I'll show you how to set up. Whenever you go to use it though, take this.
These are all the luxurious cars. Got a G-Wagon.
There's stuff on my phone. I spent like 2 or 3 years on this.
So we'll be here tomorrow too. So around 2 o'clock, we are going to get signatures from Vaughn Jr. and Adam LZ, and then they'll be drifting at 4 o'clock, and hopefully we can get a ride along.
Yeah.
See here, Altima. Got the Leaf. What's this one? The Maxima. Got the Tugana. Very interesting car. That's interesting. Subaru over here with some puppies. Got all the other. Okay. That is a nice Subaru. Ooh. Which one is this? This is the Subaru BRZ. Got some other cool cars. We got Ford, you're number 1. Mission vehicle, Corvette. Oh, Kia. Ooh, I like that Kia. Ooh, Kia Stinger. Oh, Kia's got like a new logo on it. I was just wondering, why did Kia change their logos just out of curiosity?
So the biggest reason we changed it is we did a whole new restructure, which for us included going more electric, going a little bit more modern, bringing a new feel to the brand.
Okay.
So the new logo emphasizes what we call the movement that inspires.
Okay.
So it's going to be a lot more clean edges, a little bit more modern. Along with that, we also changed colors as well.
Okay.
We went from more of the red to more of the gray, white, and black.
I really like the new logo.
I'm a big fan of it. It took me a little while seeing it on different models to kind of get excited about it,
Yeah.
but a year or so into it, I'm a big fan of it.
It looks really nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Fun interview, I guess, because I was just curious. So why not try to be a broadcaster, right?
Yeah.
Woo! Line now to meet Adam LZ and Vaughn Jr. Woo! Almost there, guys. There's Adam LZ and there's Vaughn right there. Look at that Corvette. Damn. Okay, so we're just chilling out right now. We're going to be going to get in line here around 3:30 to get a ride along, and then the rest of this video is probably going to be mostly drifting, and then I'll get more footage tomorrow. The new Adam LZ one. Oh my gosh, look at it! Ford Adam LZ. go to get in line because we got wristbands to ride with Vaughn and Adam. I am riding with Adam, and then my friend who is right behind me is supposed to be riding with Vaughn. I mean, it could change up. Oh, but I'm hoping to get Adam, and yeah.
I'm currently waiting in line to go out those doors right there. It says Gideon Jr.
We are heading outside. How exciting! Woo! There they come!